Omaha Market. We're gonna do some cooking with Chef Alana Peckham. I'm excited about today because as a mom, one of my big problems is feeding my kids breakfast in the morning in a way that's not a box cereal, doesn't require a lot of time from me because I'm getting ready for work as well. And you have a solution, Chef Alana.
I do. I have a quick and easy smoothie bowl.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And I've heard that a lot recently, smoothie bowls.
Smoothie bowls, a little bit thicker than a smoothie.
Yeah.
Well, I guess texture depends on what you like. I don't like drinking smoothies myself. It's a texture thing. So
I think it's a chef thing. I don't think chefs like to drink their food, so.
we like to drink after our food, but not to drink our food.
It's a whole different show, Chef Alana.
But by adding some more whole ingredients into this, I'm gonna be able to thicken it up, serve it in a bowl with a spoon, and eat my breakfast instead of drinking it.
Now, green apples, red, does it matter?
It does matter. Flavor-wise, the green apple is more tart, but nutrition-wise, the green apple has less sugar in it.
Okay.
Yeah, so a bit healthier for you. We are also gonna add ginger into this. I'm calling it a pumpkin pie smoothie bowl.
I know everything's moving around on you. This is kind of my fault. I set this up wrong for
That's
you.
okay,
So is
no
that
worries.
okay there?
Perfect, thank you.
Okay.
And then, get yourself a good blender for this, okay, because you're gonna pop all
chunks
of that
ginger.
in.
Ginger's great for inflammation.
Digestion.
Huge in digestion.
Start your gut off the right
I love
way.
smoothies that have tons of ginger in it.
Yeah,
Any
it's
chance I have to put
delicious.
ginger into something that I eat or drink, I do. Nighttime before I go to bed, hot water, ginger, some honey,
I was gonna say
lemon.
in the morning.
Oh,
yep.
love it, love
Perfect
it, love
in
it.
the morning. Great
Love
way to
it.
get your digestion started. We've got pumpkin going
So this
in.
is unsweetened pumpkin puree?
Unsweetened pumpkin puree.
Out of the can's fine?
Out of the can is fine.
Okay.
We're gonna go with, I like unsweetened almond milk,
Okay.
but coconut or soy or other nuts work as well.
Now, for those of you who are, into their dairy, go ahead and have your dairy.
That's
But
right.
I think that having almond milk or coconut milk is a great way of getting additional types of different proteins. Plant-based proteins for your body are just really good for you.
Well, and it adds a nice nutty flavor to the dish too.
Sure it does.
Right? Dates, so no sugar, but dates. I mean, if you really like sweet, add more. 2 or 3 is all it really needs.
Now, some dates, like these ones over here, they're called the
pit.
but this is called the
Oh, that's the medjool date.
medjool dates. Actually have the pits inside, so don't throw that inside. Make sure you get the pit out of it first.
They're soft. They come right out.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we're gonna spice it up the way you would a pumpkin pie. Whoops, not with that though. Just a little cinnamon and nutmeg. And then we're gonna blend away.
Now, a trick, not all of us have the high-end Vitamix mixer, so if you don't have it, you can pull that back down here, Chef.
Yes.
If you don't have a really high-end mixer, soak your dates in hot water.
Yes.
It'll soften it up. Grate your ginger down and chop your apples up really nice and small, or even give them a little cook in hot water really quick.
You could, yep, a quick zap in the
Yeah.
microwave will soften them up too.
That'll
Yeah.
help for sure.
And then
The smell is amazing.
serve this up.
So same idea as a smoothie that you would drink, just a little bit thicker.
A little bit thicker.
I guess you're minusing all the ice and water and
The ice, the water, the fruit juices or whatever that you would put into it. And then with pumpkin being thick, the apple, anything that you can give it more fiber and texture.
why is pumpkin good for you?
Pumpkin is great for vitamin C and potassium.
Okay.
So instead of banana, if you're not a banana fan, pumpkin is great.
And having high potassium in your diet is great for lowering your blood pressure as well. So if you're a high blood pressure person or you're trying to avoid blood pressure, and doctors will say have a banana, bananas are very high in sugar, so you can swap that out and have the pumpkin.
Yeah. And then
Does that mean that I can have lots of pumpkin pie because it's good for me?
well, you know what? Your waist will tell you yes or no.
Trust me, I already know the answer to that question.
We're gonna garnish it with some fresh citrus.
So you've segmented some oranges.
That's right. Yeah, just some
And what's
oranges.
in your mix here? Put that to camera too,
Oh, yeah,
Alana.
we've got some goji
This one here?
berries. We've got goji berries, pumpkin seeds, hemp hearts, and
Yum.
then we're gonna top off with some roasted flax seeds as well.
And goji berry, you're hearing a lot more about that dried or frozen for smoothies. Why? Do you know why gojis are good for you?
Super packed with antioxidants.
Yeah.
Great to detoxify your body.
There you go. They taste good too.
That's right, they do.
And what are you putting on top?
A little bit of roasted flax seeds.
And the flax seeds are good for you. Why?
Great omega-3s
Yep.
and fiber.
And just so we know that milled flaxseed will not give you the same flavor.
No.
Roasted tastes nice and nutty.
And it's got a crispness to the shell.
It does.
And the oils have come out, so you are still benefiting from
So
the
you
omega-3s.
must break the shell either through milling them or roasting them to get the oils. Well, all of these amazing ingredients and their benefits are on our website or Chef Alana's. Thank you so much for the quick and easy breakfast smoothie bowl. Thanks, Alana.
You're welcome.